Once again, people, we're back. Today is a sunny day. Okay, did it rain today?
I think it was good.
Yesterday it rained pretty heavy, yeah. So today was a sunny day. Your classroom got wet. Your classroom got wet.
Well, I have holiday. I was there.
Yeah, alright. Someone's having holiday, right? Australia is having holiday right now. Okay. While the rest of Singapore is working hard. Okay, come, let's take a look at this question. So question number 8. Now we are at the chapter of ratio. So we have done many ratio questions, right? Including question 7. Okay, so we are continuing this right now. So there were a total of 78 pigeons and robins in a park. So after 1/5 of the pigeons and 12 robins flew away, the ratio became 2:3. So what I do is I write P for pigeon and R for robin.
PR.
Yeah. Now total 78 pigeons, so I write 78 here. And robin is, no, so the total, sorry. This total. So I need another T, 78.
And you need your dots.
No, this is 78, total.
Dots. PRP in between PR and T.
No, here cannot.
Why?
This total, I don't know what's the number. After 1/5 of the pigeons and 12 robins flew. So 1/5 means that here there are 5 units at first. So you minus 1 unit, left with 4 units, right?
Why minusing?
Yeah, 1/5, huh? 1/5 of the pigeons flew away. So it means at first you have 5. 1 flew.
Is there 1 or 7?
Minus 1. Take away 1. Left 4 units, right? Okay. The ratio of the number of pigeons. Okay, so here was minus 12 robins. Right, I don't know how many units, but 12 left. So the ratio of the number of pigeons to robins became 2:3. So I have a problem. Now you see, pigeons to robins supposed to be 2:3, but this shows 4. That means what's the number of units here? 2:3. 2:3. Let's say this is 4. What is this? 6. Very good. So this is 6 units.
Can you explain it without? How did you get where you came from?
There?
And where did you?
4 here, then 4. This is 4. So we can 4 is to 6, right? So 4 is to 6. Now can you tell me how many are there at first?
6.
Is it 6? It can't be 6. It must be 6 plus 12.
6 plus 12.
Here must be 6u plus 12. Because 6u plus 12, take away 12, left 6u.
19.
Huh? No, 6u plus 12. At first, that's 6u plus 12. Then when you take away 12, you left with 6u. It's like, look at this. You have 6u plus 12, right? So if you take away 12, you left 6 units, right? Isn't it?
I'm going to my calculator.
Oh.
And what?
At first you have 6 units plus 12. So you take away 12, you left 6 units, right? That's why it shows over here. Okay, so from here we can do the calculation. You see the total is this whole thing. 5 units plus 6 units plus 12 is 78, right? Yeah, I'm wearing glasses. Okay, 5 units plus 6 units plus 12 equals to 78. So I'm going to use some space to write. You see the total 78, right? What does it consist of? 5 units plus 6 units plus 12 equals to 78. What's 5 units plus 6 units?
11.
Yeah, so 11 units plus 12 equals to 78.
Yeah.
What is 11 unit equals to?
78.
Take away 12. So it's 66. Oh, divide, minus.
So what is 1 unit now?
Yeah, 11 unit is 66, right? So 1 unit equals to 11, 6. One unit equals 6. So how many robins were at the park at first?
Then,
6
39
times 6 plus 12.
plus 12.
There are 48 robins.
Then I plus that again.
Yeah, you can. You have to. This is a problem sum. P5 problem.
48. So every single problem sum.
Yes, yes.
12. So 60.
So I'm gonna explain again. Okay. I'm gonna explain again, all right? So you copy first. Then I'm gonna explain. Ready? Okay, so let's look at the story. So there were a total of 78 pigeons and robins. So I write 78 here. Right? Pigeon plus robin total 78. After 1/5 of the pigeons and 12 robins flew away. So because it says 1/5, 1 out of 5, that means pigeons at first there are 5 units. Then you take away 1 unit, you're left with 4 units. So far, okay? Alright, makes sense here. Then after that, the 12 robins flew away, so I just write 12 here, minus 12. Next, they say that the ratio of the number of pigeons to robins became 2:3. So this is supposed to be 2:3. 2:3. But I have 4 here. So how to change this to match this? I need to times 2. So here's times 2, right? So it becomes 6. Now I can work backwards. Now I go backwards, right? Since at the end I have 6. Okay, I got 6 here. That means initially there must be 6u plus 12. Because 6u plus 12 minus 12 equals to 6. So far, is it okay? Yeah. And once you have this, you look at the red color box. Right? Red color box here says 5 unit plus 6 unit plus 12 equals to 78 because that's the total. Right? So I have this thing here. 5u plus 6u plus 12 equals 78. So 5 unit plus 6 units is 11 units. Altogether, there are 11 units. Plus 12 is equal to 78.
Okay.
So if 11 unit plus 12 is 78, 11 unit must be 66.
Okay.
So 1 unit is 6. And come here. Because they want the number of robins at the park. So how many robins at the park? 6 unit plus 12. So I take 6 times 6.
Why is it 6?
Because 1 unit is 6.
And then the other 6.
There are 6 units here. Alright. Do you need me to explain one time? No need, okay, no need to do question number 9. It's the same. 9 is the same as 8. Alright, so can you see that it's quite difficult? Okay, I never say this is easy, right? Nobody said this is going to be easy, okay? But you're going to be doing this at P5 level. Yes. Right, so can you do this now? Question number 9. These are like P6 kind of.
Now we're P5, why we doing P6?
These are like PSLE kind of
I'm
questions.
supposed to be in P4. How am I even here?
Because you got big brain.
Raising the W.
Okay, so let's take a look at this question. So Janice and Iris had a total of $800. All right, so I have 2 person. Yeah, let's write the two names J and I, and then we have total, which gives us G. All right, I think they're signed already. Yeah. So Janice total is 800, both of them. All right, let's write 800 here. So Janice spent 1 over 9.
All I know is 9 units.
Yeah, 9 units, right? Take away.
8.
Take away. 100 what? Yeah, I got it, right? So this 8. Then Angeli was saying here minus 111, yeah. Here is 4, very good, right? Yay, give me a star for that. Dun, dun, dun. Because Iris spent 111. Hey, Ija, don't make this noise. Okay, where did the 4 come from? Because the ratio became 2 is to 1. That means here is 2 is to 1. 2 is to 1. If this is 8, this has to be 4. Right? You get 1 mark for solving this, right? 1 mark into the piggy bank. Go draw a piggy bank. Eh?
That's a fish. That's a fish.
What?
No, it's a pig. No, what is that? It's a fish. It looks like a pig. It looks like a rat now. Yeah, it looks like a rat.
Piggy bank, okay?
It's
1 mark go into the piggy bank, right? When you get this, got it? See, professional piggy bank, huh?
Why do people use piggy banks? You have to smash the piggy bank.
No, usually there's a hole at the bottom, right? So you gotta. Oh, that's a good question. I don't know. I think it's because pigs like to eat stuff, you know. So it's like eating the.
Let's go. Let's be.
And you what? Oh yeah. Okay, so you see you do this, you get 1 mark, right? Because you're on the right track. So now what do we do next? Now if this is 4 units, remember I need to go back here. What is this here? What is inside this box? 5 units? No. 4U plus 111. Because 4U plus 111 minus 111 give you 4U ma. See, another 1 mark into piggy bank. Yeah, this is difficult. If it's easy, everyone would know, right? Y'all didn't know, so I know I get 1 mark. What kind of bird was that? Do you hear the bird? Oh, that's not a bird, that's a human being. Sounded like a bird, like oh bird. Okay, so we know this is 4 units plus 111. Now remember this plus this equals to 800, right? The total 800. Yeah. How do I get 800? Plus. Yeah, so 9 units plus 4 units plus 111 equals to 800, right? So what's 9 plus 4? 13. Oh, so far to see. And I know it's in your brain, right? What? 800. All right. So if 13 units plus 1 equals 800, what is 13 units equal to? 13 units plus 1 equals 800. So what's 800 minus 1? Calculator, please. Calculator. People, take a calculator. 6, 8, 9. So what's 1 unit equal to? 286, 689, 689. What? 53. So 1 unit is 53. Now the question is, how much more money did Janice have than Iris? What?
63. 64.
I heard you say 53. So it's 63 then. Okay, 1 unit is 63. Now the question is, how much more money did Janice have, J have than Iris? So J has 9 units, right? What is it? 53 or 63? You are giving me different answers.
63 or 53? 53, look. 53.
Come on, why you keep changing? Okay, 1 unit is 53. Now you add these two together, you get 800, right? These two 800. So 1 unit is 53. Now they ask how much more did Janice have. So Janice has 9 units, so you can find 9 units first. What's 9 units? 53 times 9. 477. Okay, now we need to find Iris. So Iris is 4U plus 111, right? Not enough space. Oh my god. Because you are a professional PSLE student now, yeah? All your workings are super long. So what's 4 unit?
212.
Equals to 212. But I need to take 212 plus 111. 323. All right, so what's the difference now? 477. Take away 323. We get 154. And that's the answer. All right, you get 2,000 coins.
It looks like 1 million.
Okay. One more. You see? Copy already?
Yeah.
Yeah, next one. Let's go.
So much working nowadays.
5-mark question.
All right. Okay, let me do this, right? So
Yeah, but I
John
do.
and Kenny had a total of 1,002, right? 1,020. So here, so John spent half of his money. So at first there's 2 units, minus 1 unit, left with 1 unit. And Kenny spent 84. So here minus 84. All right, do you at least get this? Yes. Very good.
I got
So
John's money. I got John's leftover
7?
money.
This is 1, minus 1.
Brownie got John's leftover money.
Yeah, fine. So the ratio of John's to Kenny became 5:3. So this is 1, but I want 5:3, you know. I want it to be 5:3. But this is 1. So what do I do? Yeah. Which one times 5? This whole thing got the times 5. Yeah, the whole thing, right? So if I were to times 5, I should just write it out again.
7 times.
Wait, let me write out again. Okay, so it's slightly more difficult this time around. So if I multiply everything here by 5 times 5 times 5. So J now becomes 10.
840.
Wait. 10 units minus 5 units left 5 units, right? And then Kenny is left with 3 units. No? Total 1020. I times 5 because I want it to be equal to this. 5. What?
Oh wait,
So here is minus 84. Alright, what's the original? Math. Okay, look at this. So what is the number here?
800.
No, here.
Oh, I know.
3.
What?
Yeah, 3U plus 84.
3U.
Right, so 3 unit plus 84 equals to, this 1,020, right, is equals to 10U plus 3U plus 84. So 13U plus 84 equals 102. 0, right? So what's 13 units? 1020 minus 84.
It's 936.
So what's 1 unit?
72.
Turn to deposit mark. See? King. King.
And number is
King.
This is just useless.
that
Doesn't
it's
do
not useless.
anything.
Huh?
Not like the pig.
Alright, so 1 unit is 72. Now if 1 unit is 72, we want to find what's the ratio of the amount of John to Kenny at first. So you gotta find John, right? John is 10 units. So basically John is 720.
Yes.
Okay, now what's 3 units plus 84?
So
Yeah, because 1 unit is 72, you can find 3 units. Yeah, plus 84. 3 units.
300.
Exactly.
huh? What do you mean? So it's 34 plus 24.
Yes. So
58.
300. Okay, so to find the ratio between John and Kenny,
The what? The difference.
ratio, they want the ratio. No, reduce the simplest form, right?
Divide by 500.
So 72 is to 30, and divide again, divide by 3, right? 72 divided by 3, 24 is to 10. Oh, can divide again, 12,
Wait, divide by what?
12 is to 5. So simplest form is 12 is to 5. Now, it's always like that during a problem sum, right? The mood becomes different and
It becomes tense. The air becomes tense.
yeah, that's fine.
And we can loosen our tens by having a break.
What break you want?
No,
15 break.
no.
We do one more.
Can you please pass me that?
It's a great break. You can never go to 11. 11 is a bad digit to stop at.
Okay, do one more, then we take a break.
8 is a good one to stop at.
One. All right, so there were a total of 600 chicken pies and curry. Chicken pies.
Did you spell that wrong?
What? Okay, so we have chicken pie. So chicken pie, got to draw a chicken here.
Wait, hold on. That looks like a bird. No, that looks like, here we go again. It looks like toast. No, that's a bird.
That's a piece of toast.
It's a toaster. With bread coming out.
A toast? That is a bird. That's not a chicken.
Chicken pie and curry pie. How to draw curry pie?
I know. And then like yes. This looks like a taco.
Okay, go to.
It looks like a hamburger.
What are you doing? Come on. Hey, Vera, come on, that's it. Hamburger, right? So chicken pies and curry pie. So the total is 600, right? Now 1/4 of the chicken pies and 60 of curry pie also. So that means at first there's 4 units. We minus 1 unit. Left how many? 3 units. How many curry pie? 60 minus 60. All right. So after that, the ratio of the number of chicken pie to curry pie is 3:5. So I got this 3:5. Now I need to fit this is to 3, and it's just nice. 3:5, right? So here 3 units, here must be 5 units. You see this has to be 5 units because 3:5. Correct? Have you all done until this? Huh?
Yeah.
Do you do until this one?
Yes, it is.
Yeah, then you get 1 mark, okay?
Wait, minus 60 or minus 10?
What?
Minus 60 or minus 10?
What do you think? What do you think?
I put 60.
What does it say? What does it say?
It looks
It's on the
like
problem
10.
sum. Problem sum, right? So if this is 4 units, what is this number of units here? Something minus 60 become 5. So this has to be 5 units 60.
55.
What? I said 5 units plus 60.
Oh, 5 units.
Yeah, here is 5 units plus 60. Now if this is 5 units plus 60, what's the total here? Total here is 4 units plus 5 units plus 60 equals to
It's like 9 plus 60.
600. Yeah, 9 units plus 60 equals to 600. Now what is 9 units equals to? You touch the table, you touch the table, you.
9 units is 10.
9 units is 10.
I mean, I'm sorry.
9 plus 60 equals 600. So what's 9 units equals to? What plus 60 equals to 600? What plus 60? I know, but what number?
10 is 500.
Yeah, 40. Right? So what's 1 unit equal to?
10.
How can it be 10?
Tell me that.
60. 60. So the question is, now if you do until here, you get another 2 marks, right? Yeah, if you find this, you're almost there, right? So you get like 2 marks or maybe like another 1.
I got 0 marks.
Yeah, so you get a total of 3 marks here already. So what was the ratio of the number of chicken pies to the number of curry puffs? Chicken pie to curry puff. 1 unit is 60, what's 4 units? Yeah. What about 5 units? 300. Yes, thank you for the answer. So
Nobody said anything.
I can see it in your eyes. Your eyes were telling me. So, hey, what happened to my mouth? Don't you know they say the eyes is the window to the soul?
No.
Eyes is the window. I look at Yijia's eyes, I can see his soul. His soul says,
His soul is black.
his soul says, I like to do math, okay? His soul says, I like to do math. He says he hates math, but his soul says, I like math. Because he likes.
He died?
No, I said he likes math.
I'm just waiting for tomorrow. This is a new episode.
Yeah.
Coming out.
Yeah.
You have a minion water bottle for the kid.
Next. Okay, wait. So back to here, back to here. Back here, come on. Okay, so how many chicken pies are there? 240, right? 240. How many curry puffs are there? 300 plus 60. So 360. So what's the ratio? 2 is to 3. One mark for you. And another 1 mark for you. Right? So 5 marks for this, right? You can get it done. These are 5 marks difficult problems, alright? You spend some time to do it, it'll be fine. Okay, let's go for a short 5 minute break, okay?
Relax.
Okay.
You get 5 minutes.
Okay,
This is boring. Boring.
I'll press the Y again.
Okay.
Press it. Press it.
Come on, look at it. Alright, so question number 12. Okay. No.
I got most of it.
No. Okay, so florist sells roses, tulips, and carnations. Okay. I'll do this and you can look at the other one, right? So the ratio of the number of rows to total is 3 to 7. So we got to write 3 types of flowers, right? Roses, tulips, and carnation. Now rows to total is 3 to 7. That means here is 3. Oops. This is 3. Yeah. And this is 4. Is it okay? 3 and 4. Why is it 3 and 4? Because total is 7. Total is 7. So 3 plus 4. Hey, at least pay attention, okay? I said at least pay attention. What are you doing?
Alice, pay attention. Who's Alice?
Alright. So there are 140 tulips and 84 carnations. So you see the 4 units, right? Is equal to 140 plus 84. Excuse me, Ija. Can you copy? Put down your phone. I said put down your phone. Okay, 4 unit equals to 140 plus 84. What's 140 plus 84? 200 and
34. 234.
yeah, let's do 24. So that's 4 units, right? So what about 1 unit? No, because your 1 unit is 56. Because you are jumping around.
Because they got lights are on.
It's on. It's because the sunlight is coming in.
And then just like close the door. It's too noisy. But still, they're always noisy.
Okay, 1 unit is 56. This is 4 units, right? And this is 3 units, right? So how many roses are there? Rows is 3 units. Okay, so 56 times 3.
168.
168, right? So there are 168 roses. Okay, so that's part A. And we have a part B. So find the ratio of the number of rose to number of carnation. Rose to carnation. Now there are 84 carnations, right? Rose is 168 is to 84. Okay, so ratio we cannot put in these big numbers. We got to reduce to simplest form. What is the simplest form here? 2 is to 1. You can check with your calculator. Divide by 84.
84.
Yeah. So I divide by 84. 2 is to 1.
Really?
Yeah.
1, 6, 8. Divide by
84.
84. No, it's 3. Oh wait, sorry.
Okay, so this is a ratio question. All right, problem now. Now we do the next one. Okay, now the next one is almost similar. It's almost similar to.
That's what you say to everything.
Yeah, because they are all almost similar. They are all ratio.
They
They
are
are all ratio problems now. Right. So look at 13 right now. Come on. So we have 3 brands of shampoo as LPD.
LPD.
LPD6. LPD6.
The ratio of number of bottles of L to total number is 3 to 10. So this is 3. All right. What is the ratio for P and D? 7. Very good. Okay, so this is 7. Right. So you should be able to get this. If you get this, you're on the right track. Now there are 290 bottles of P and 174 fewer bottles of D than P. Okay. Now if Pantene is 290 and Drove is 174 fewer than Pantene, how many Drove are there? How many Drove? We need Drove. 290 take away.
174.
Yeah, which is
290.
116.
okay. So you get 116. So Drove is 116. Now Pantene is 290, right? So if you add these two together, which is 116 plus 290, 406. This is equivalent to 7 units. So what is 1 unit equal to?
58.
Have you done until this part? Did you do until this part?
Yeah.
Oh, very good. Right. You done until this part is very good. So 1 unit is 58. You can find how many bottles are there altogether. There are 10 units. So 580. That is part A. All right, so for part A, there are 580 bottles. Next, which is a lot, right? Next, find the ratio of the number of lux to the number of Pantene. So lux is 3 units. So 3 units must be, we take 58 times 3. 58 times 3. Yeah, so there are 174 lux. So can you tell me the ratio? Lux to Pantene. 174 is to how many Pantene bottles?
290.
Yeah, 290. Okay, now yeah, I don't think there's divided by 3. So 2, how about 2? Divided by 2. 87. 145.
Wait, that's divided by 2.
Yeah. Okay, so that's it. Anyway, can I divide by 3 again? Can you divide by 3?
Yeah. 20, 23, 29.
What is that? You're small.
No, yeah. Can 145 divided by 3? Oh, then we are. So this is the final answer, right? 87 is to 45. That's it. So you can do more, right?
Can play games for
No,
the last
last
5
one.
minutes.
No, you do this now. Hey, you're here to do what, no, Ija? Right? Not play game, no. Don't point your pen at me like that.
87 to what?
Try this one. 15.
87 to what?
87 is 145. Okay, this one I'm going to skip first because it's value in units, right? It's a bit tougher, right? This one should be easier. Let's do this together. So there are 3 types of fruits: apple, oranges, and pears. Right? So we have apples, oranges, and pears. The ratio of the number of apples to the total number of fruits is 1 to 3. So here is 1. Total fruit is 3, right? So here it has got to be 2. Okay, 1 is to 2. And the ratio of the number of oranges to pears is 7 to 9. So oranges to pears 7 to 9. Okay, so we have a problem because this 7 plus 9 should be equal to the 2. Okay, what is 7 plus 9? 16. Now if this is 16, this must be 8. You get it? Yeah, this is 8 because this is 2 units and apple is just 1 out of the 2. Now if these 2 add together, you see we split this, you add together is 16. This 2 is 16, this 1 must be 8. Okay, so we get this ratio. Now this ratio is very important because so there are 72 more apples than oranges. Apples versus oranges, 72 more. These are all units, right? Yeah, very good. 1 unit equals to 72. So the question, of course, is how many pears are there at the store? Yeah, 72 times 9, right? So 9 units. 9 equals to 6 for 8. Right, so there are 648 pairs. Now, can I just take a look how many more questions there are? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 more. Okay, we have 8 more. So let me see. You're gonna go back and try, okay? Yeah. I'm skipping one, right? These are very difficult. I need to teach you how to do. I think you can do 16 and 17. These are easy ratio.
That's all.
This is easy. This is all easy, right?
Me too. Tuition's my other thing.
Other thing.
Chinese tuition.
Chinese tuition, but this is math. Math is something else. All right, so you gotta do 3. 1, 2, 3. Right? That's all for today. Done already. This is done. What do you need? I skip this. I'm at 15.
So do I do it?
16, 17, 18.
Only 2. Look
Not
at the
okay.
time.
Let's try.
Look at it. That's like 2 minutes to do. Let's go. Me too.
All right. You can do 3 questions, right? It's not that bad. Okay. Bye bye. Yeah.
We have time limit.